Cup Champions League finals first leg. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. AS 0.
Yeah.
My brother, your name and your opinion.
My name is Sizwe. My opinion for the game today, Sundowns did very well. They made us proud. They played world-class football.
Yeah.
It was very unfortunate with the chances that they missed, but it was football. They played very well. We are very happy as Sundowns supporters. And our fellow contenders, Moroccans, they must just stop doing what they're doing when it comes to this kind of games. We love football. We don't promote violence. They must just stop it.
Is it true that the fans from that side are fighters?
Yes. We are fighters. They are. This is football. This is not UFC. Yes, it's CAF, not UFC. They must not come here and do things of fighting. They are wrong with what they're doing. They are just ruining this whole beautiful vibe of football.
It was a beautiful game.
It was a beautiful game.
The first citizen is watching. Is watching this game.
Yes. So that was a spoiler for this for today's game. And it was unfortunate that even someone got injured there. And it just happened that it's not our supporter but theirs. We are not happy that someone got injured, but it happened. But we condemn those kind of behaviors in the stadium. Brilliant game. Thank you.
So who was your man of the match?
Man of the match is Cupido. Cupido did very well.
I thought you were going to say with your football, let's say he's the man of the match. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.